when it comes to taking care of the beauty that you show. Primeside, your trusted cosmetic partner.
Welcome back to my channel, fellas. It's been a long time. So today I'm going to quickly show you how I made this emulsified face wash, just like you have this one. First, I weighed out my water. Here I'm using plain distilled water. If you want to use any form of your hydrosol, you can do just that. And next, I'm going to be weighing out my cream base. Now this cream base is totally water free and it's a very good choice if you do not want to start up with the measurement of your waxes, oils and all of that. You just can get this cream base and you could use it to make your lotions, your cream, every emulsified product, even your scrubs, your emulsified serums, whatever it is that needs to be emulsified. You could just get this base and use it as sap. So for the already weighed out water, I'm going to be dividing it into two because I want to heat one part and I want to use the other parts to dissolve my niacinamide powder. I do not want my niacinamide to actually go to heat, okay? So I'm going to be using niacinamide PC here. Niacinamide PC is actually a more improved version of niacinamide. I chose niacinamide because I just wanted to make something similar to this Olay niacinamide face and body wash, and so you could actually choose to use any ingredient that you wish to use. You could also use a combination of active ingredients. You could go add more and more. I just wanted to make this simple and equally show you how I made this. So I'm going to dissolve my niacinamide and set it aside. While for the other part of water, since nothing is in it like any actives, I'm going to take it to a high heat and allow it to come high in temperature at about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. For these other parts containing my niacinamide, I just allow it to fully dissolve. So I'm making this creamy emulsified wash with just few ingredients, and here we have them. We have all the raw material in stock, including this cream base, and you can shop that from our website. You see the link in the description box. So I'll take my hot water and then I'll just pour it into my cream base, and voila, after blending you're going to get a soft, beautiful textured creaminess. Now you do not have to mix. This is you blending, not mixing, okay? So you're not using a mixer, you're going to be using your stick blender. If you do not have a stick blender, you can go in with your kitchen blender so long as you don't have any form of pepper inside, please, okay? Now this cream base is richly formulated to give you a luxury texture. It's not just your regular base. It's formulated with beautiful waxes and non-comedogenic oils to give you that beautiful texture for your product. Oh yes, you could actually still use the cream base that contains water. It'll work just fine too. Now let me use this opportunity to welcome old and new subbies here. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, welcome to Primeside. On this channel I share effective, safe and natural recipes for hair care, skincare and cosmetics in general. I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thank you for stopping by again. Next, I'm going to be weighing out my surfactants. Here I'm using cocoa betaine clear. I also noticed that this cocoa betaine was actually not enough to give my formula a very rich lather, so I would advise you to actually add another surfactant to this, probably an SCI powder, and take this to heat. I'm also going to add my fragrance of choice. This is quite optional. If you do not want your wash to smell really bland or not having any smell, you could go ahead to add your fragrance. Here I use Lily fragrance and we have that right in stock. So I'm going to be adding my niacinamide. Also ensure that your formula is already in cool down phase before you could go ahead to add your niacinamide. Alright, so I'm going to give this a stir and then I'll come again with my stick blender to make this more emulsified and beautiful looking. If you love to make simple, natural, effective, safe skincare and hair care product, cosmetic product like this, I think you should stay up on this channel. Also, if you like to delve more into it, we are the leading cosmetic school in Africa, actually, that brings in the right knowledge on cosmetics in general. To know more about our cosmetic school, you could actually see the description box for more details. If you do not want to opt for our cosmetic school for now, you could grab any of our ebooks. I believe they will be greatly helpful to you. Also, Also, don't forget to shop your cosmetic raw materials and your cosmetic tools from our website. All the details you need is right in our description box. So I'll simply go ahead to check the pH of this product. Since niacinamide is our main ingredient here and like the focus, I think it would be excellent if we set our pH to be 6. So I'll just go to check this and see if we have a pH that matches 6, and this was excellently 6, so I do not need to adjust the pH of this product. I'll simply go away in my preservative. Here I'm using Uzel PE 9010. I'm going to give this a stir, and boom, our product is ready. See how easy this was, and guess what, we used just 6 ingredients. Like I said earlier, you could actually play around, be creative with these, add more ingredients just the way you want to add them, and get your body wash looking really fine and effective. This body wash can be used by all skin type. It can be used on the face and the body. It can even be used on the hair. It can be used by kids and adults. It can be used by sensitive skin and non-sensitive skin. Shelf life of this product around 6 to 8 months. It may stay longer than that if kept properly. Now see how the texture looks like. I'm going to be comparing this with the Olay Niacinamide face and body wash to see if the texture matches. But first, let's put it to a lather test. Now see how it lathers, although I have to put a lot of it before it could give me this really rich lather. It really didn't lather very well, I must be sincere. So like I would advise you could actually add some more surfactant to aid your cocoa betaine. Now look at the texture between the both of them. They look pretty the same, and the both of them would not really lather normally until they come in contact with your sponge, your hair, or something to just push them to lather. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked this, and if you did, please give me a thumb up. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Also, let me know what product you want us to try next in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I would like to see you in my next video. For now, take care and bye.